What if I told you that becoming rich isn't about luck or even being born into money? It's about thinking and acting differently. It's about understanding the game of wealth and mastering the rules that most people never even learn. Think of people like Steve Jobs, Rihanna, or even Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. They all started from nothing. They had dreams, they had ambition, and they had an unwavering belief in their ability to achieve greatness. The reason they became rich wasn't magic, it was the way they thought and the choices they made. They dared to dream big, they took massive action, and they never, ever gave up. Today, I'm going to share with you their secrets, the same principles I've used to help countless people achieve financial freedom. Are you ready to unleash your full potential and claim the life you deserve? Let's dive in. Let's talk about the first principle, the foundation upon which all financial success is built: your mindset. You see, most people approach money from a place of scarcity. They look at their current situation, their limitations, and they say, "I can't afford that." Have you ever found yourself saying those words? Now imagine for a moment someone like Jeff Bezos. Do you think he built Amazon from his garage by saying, "I can't"? No. He asked a different question. He asked, "How can I?" That one shift from "I can't" to "how can I" changes everything. It unlocks your mind's potential and forces it to find solutions. So, the next time you're faced with a financial challenge, don't allow yourself to fall into the trap of negativity. Instead, ask yourself, what's one small step I can take today to move closer to my goal? What resource can I leverage? Who can I reach out to for support? Remember, your mind is a powerful tool, and the questions you ask will determine the answers you find. Now let's talk about the power of habits. You see, success isn't a one-time event, it's the result of consistent, daily actions. Think of Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet. He didn't amass his fortune overnight, he did it by building smart, disciplined habits, and one of the most important habits he cultivated was the habit of saving. Warren Buffett understood a fundamental truth: you don't save what's left after spending, you spend what's left after saving. Let me repeat that. You spend what's left after saving. Make it a non-negotiable part of your financial life. Start small, even if it's just $5 a week. It's not about the amount, it's about developing the habit, the discipline of prioritizing your future self. Over time, those small amounts add up. They create a foundation for financial security and open up a world of opportunities. Remember, financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint, and it all starts with building the right habits. Here's a secret: truly wealthy individuals understand the difference between assets and liabilities. They understand that real wealth isn't about keeping up with the Joneses or impressing others with flashy purchases. It's about investing in things that appreciate in value, things that generate income and build long-term security. Think about Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook. He's one of the wealthiest individuals in the world, yet he drives a relatively modest car and lives a surprisingly simple life. Why? Because he understands that true wealth isn't about showing off, it's about investing in what matters. So, the next time you're tempted to make an impulsive purchase, ask yourself, is this going to help me build wealth, or is it just going to drain my resources? Remember, every dollar you spend is a vote for the future you want to create. Choose wisely. Chapter 4. Invest in yourself. Now, let's talk about the most important investment you can ever make, the investment in yourself. You see, your mind is your greatest asset. The more you learn, the more you grow, the more you expand your knowledge and skills, the more valuable you become in the marketplace. Oprah Winfrey, one of the most successful women in history, often says, "Education is the key to unlocking the world." She grew up in poverty, but she never allowed her circumstances to define her potential. She understood that knowledge is power, and she was relentless in her pursuit of learning. The beautiful thing is, you don't need a formal education to invest in yourself. Read books, attend seminars, take online courses, listen to podcasts. The world is overflowing with information and opportunities to learn and grow. Commit to becoming a lifelong learner, and watch as the doors of opportunity swing wide open. Chapter 5. Visualize your success. Let's talk about the power of visualization. You see, our minds are incredibly powerful instruments. When we focus on something with clarity and emotion, we send a powerful message to our subconscious, and our subconscious mind then goes to work to make that vision a reality. Jim Carrey, before he was a famous actor, wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered. He carried that check in his wallet every day, visualizing his success, feeling the emotions of achieving his dream, and guess what? He manifested that reality. So, I want you to do the same. Write down your financial goals, make them specific, make them measurable, and then close your eyes and visualize yourself achieving those goals. Feel the emotions of success, the gratitude, the joy, the sense of accomplishment. Do this consistently, and watch as your subconscious mind guides you toward your desired outcome. Chapter 6. Surround yourself with success. Finally, let's talk about the power of your environment. You've heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Well, it's true. Our environment has a profound impact on our thoughts, our beliefs, and our actions. LeBron James, one of the greatest basketball players of all time, didn't achieve his level of success in isolation. He surrounded himself with coaches, mentors, trainers, and teammates who pushed him to be his best. He understood that success is a team sport. So, take a look at your own life. Who are you surrounding yourself with? Are they supportive of your dreams? Are they striving for greatness themselves? If not, it might be time to reassess your inner circle. Outrow take action. This is what the rich do. It's not about being lucky or born special. It's about thinking differently, making smart choices, and staying consistent. It's about mastering the fundamentals and developing an unshakable belief in your ability to achieve anything you set your mind to. So start today. Take one small step. Even the smallest change, compounded over time, can lead to extraordinary results. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. The question isn't if you can do it. The question is, when will you start? Let me know in the comments what your first step will be. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips to build the life you deserve.